Kelly, you just did a fun heart-to-heart Instagram Live with Tina Knowles Lawson in support of the American Heart Association. Why was that cause important to you?
I mean, you know, I lost my mom to cardiac arrest, and that was a really great loss for me. And when it comes to talking about heart health, I'm always actually talking about heart health in conversation, in private conversations, whatever. And I was so happy that we got a chance to have this heart to heart, and just the lines of communication with that needed to be open.
What do you want people to know about heart health?
I want them to, you know, for women, it's the #1 killer of women, you know, and especially for women of color. So it's really important for us to just know what's going on with our heart, our bodies, period. And that's really the messaging I want to get across.
I lost my mom the same way.
Really?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So are there any telltale signs that you should look out for that people should know about, or you just mean regular checkups?
I mean, between regular checkups, I mean, taking care of your body, getting your exercise, you know, not a specific diet, but just knowing like the foods to give your body for it to function well. You know what I mean? And function as long as you possibly can. So that really means a lot to me because I have 2 beautiful boys, a great husband, and I just want to be able to be here on this earth healthy for them, of course, as well as myself.
Right. Very good and very important to spread that message. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Watch more clips here and subscribe to our channel here. See ya.